बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। थ्योरम 12.1.4। Any point on the bisector of an angle is equidistant from its arm This statement is divided into two parts. Its one part is given and other part is its proof. So it's given any point on the bisector of an angle as it's given. Suppose point P is on the bisector OM is bisector on the angle AOB. So any point P on the bisector OM which is the bisector of angle AOB So the bisector of angle ray OM which bisect the angle into two congruent angle is called bisector of an angle. In this figure, if we label the angle 1 and angle 2, so angle 1 congruent angle 2. The bisector of angle AOB is angle 1 congruent angle 2. This definition is the bisector of the angle AOB. After the given, we take its proof part. Point P is equidistant from its arms. Any point is equidistant from its arm. Any point means point P. P is equidistance from its arms mean OA and OB. It can also be written as P is equidistant from its arm OA and arm OB. If we take a point R on OA and take point Q on OB, which is perpendicular to the PR is perpendicular to the OA and PQ is perpendicular to the AB. So this point P from R and P from Q is equidistance. PR is congruent to the PQ. Its construction: draw perpendicular PR to OA ray and PQ perpendicular to the OB ray. It means angle PRO and angle PQO are congruent. Angle PRO congruent angle PQO. After the constructions, its proof: two triangles are formed. Triangle POR corresponding triangle POQ in which each triangle has 6 components. For example, triangle POR and triangle POQ. This triangle POR has 6 components in which 3 sides. This is the side, this is the side, and this is the side, and 3 angle. This is the angle, this is the angle, and this is the angle. It will total 6 component of the triangle POR. Same as triangle POQ has also 6 component. This is the side, this is the side, and this is the side. Mean each triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. This is the angle, and this is the angle, and this is the angle. This triangle has 6 component, and this triangle has also 6 component. When we produce corresponding between 2 triangles, then this 6 component of this triangle and 6 component of this triangle make 6 pairs of components, in which 3 can be used for making the 2 triangles congruent, and remaining 3 can be found out by using the CPCT rule. So, in the given, angle 1 congruent angle 2, from triangle POR we take a component, and from triangle POQ we take another component. It will a pair of component, which is called given. After the given, we take another pair in the constructions, which is called PR congruent angle PQO, PRO congruent PQO, which is another pair of these 2 triangles which are congruent. Angle PRO angle PQO is called construction. This side PO is common in both the triangles, so PO congruent PO in both the triangle, which is common. These 3 pairs of components make the 2 triangles congruent. So triangle POR congruent, triangle POQ, angle side congruent, angle side. The remaining 3 pair in which we have to need it, this side PR and PQ, which are also congruent to each another. PR congruent PQ, it can be found out by using the CPCT rule. CPCT mean corresponding parts means sides, corresponding parts of congruent triangle,